Hi math teachers, I wanted to give you a quick overview of the diagnostic testing on IXL. Your students will be doing this for up to 20 minutes a day for just math until they have a pure diagnostic score that is one number only. And I'm going to show you what I mean by that. I'm actually going to log in under my own Anna. She's been doing this summer as to keep up on her skills. And so if I have her log into the diagnostic, it gives us the option to step into the arena. So stepping into the arena, it's going to show both language arts and math. There's going to need to be a toggle to go to just math. The reason why the diagnostic is kind of fun for the kids is it doesn't just give them one thing that they have to do. They get to choose where they go, and it will always show 2 to 4 questions, and they can choose which one they'd like to do. It gives them a question, and then it gives them more choices. So it's nice because it's not just you do this in the order that I give it to you. So she would continue to work through this. And again, that first time it might take 3 sessions, depending on how strong the math student is. It could take more, but it should not be more than 20 minutes at a time. Once they're done, it's going to give you something that looks like this. When it is not completed, these numbers will be a range. It might say like 400 to 530 or 480 to 600. It doesn't quite know where to go yet. But once it is one number, it gives you recommended skills. And it will show you these are the things you need to work on in order to increase these scores. You can click on those directly. Now notice over here it says keep diagnosing. So they probably had a couple of recommended skills, Anna did them, and so they don't know where to go quite yet, and so they need her to do the diagnostic again. So you'll notice the number will either be here, it'll have a range, which means they're not even done diagnosing for the first time, or it'll say to keep diagnosing to reveal. Once the original one's done, it'll only take like 5 or 10 minutes each week to keep the diagnostic up to date. And then after they're done with that, they go over to learning, which is what they'll see when they log in. You see it says from the diagnostic arena. These again have some language arts things, not just the math, because Anna's been doing both, but this is from the diagnostic arena, It even says what grade it's from to give them an idea of what they need to do. Now, as a teacher, when your students are doing this, your screen obviously looks different than theirs. And when you log in to analytics, I only have one student that's been doing this really all summer for practice, which is great. I wish I had more. So these numbers are not exactly what we want them to be. But I'm just clicked under diagnostic. And notice these are ranges because they haven't been done enough to get an actual number. If you look at Esperanza, she has this little symbol that shows she has gotten exactly down to where she needs to be. And if I click on her, I can see exactly where she is and what she's been doing. You can even print the diagnostic plan. I know that's what Mrs. Thorpe did with the ELA results for something for them to do over the summer if they wish. But it's really nice because you can see clearly where their strengths are and where their weaknesses are. So again, this will be done in the beginning of the year. You don't have to assign anything. It is already there, ready to go. They just have to step in the arena and toggle to just math. I'm going to be here helping as much as I possibly can. Please feel free to send me questions and let me know if you'd like to see a video of something else, or I can come down to your room and help you one-on-one. Thanks so much. Have a good day.